Sanja Žigić Serbian Cyrillic, SR Cyrillic let 45A Aje Ice, born 11 October 1970, is a politician in Serbia. She served in the Assembly of Vojvodina from 2016 to 2020 and is now the President, i.e., Speaker of the Municipal Assembly of Vrbas. Žigić is a member of the Serbian Progressive Party. Žigić was born in Vrbas, Vojvodina, in what was then the Socialist Republic of Serbia in the Socialist Federal Republic of Yugoslavia. She majored in business management at Union University in Belgrade. Žigić received the 9th position on the Progressive Party's electoral list for the Vrbas Municipal Assembly in the 2013 Serbian local elections and was elected when the list won 18 out of 36 mandates. She resigned from the Assembly on 7 November 2013 after being appointed as Chief of Cabinet in the Mayor's office. She was subsequently given the 16th position on the Progressive Party's list for the 2016 Vojvodina provincial election and was elected when the list won a majority victory with 63 out of 120 seats. For the next 4 years, she served as part of the provincial government's majority in the Assembly. She did not seek re-election at the provincial level in 2020. Žigić was given the 10th position on Progressive list for Vrbas in the 2020 local elections and was elected to a second term at the local level when the list won a majority victory with 22 mandates. She was chosen as Speaker of the Assembly on 21 August 2020.